Hello everyone! Today we will make this wonderful bouquet of roses together. If you're interested in how to make it, stay with me and watch this video. We will need colored paper of the desired color for the rose itself, scissors, a pencil, a ruler, and glue. To decorate the rose, place it on a stem and embellish it with leaves. We will need skewers or some suitable material for skewers. And a green paper for the leaf. We need to mark our leaf into strips. I make the width of the strips the same as my ruler, which is about 2.5, probably about 2.5 centimeters, but it can be a little less. You can mark it. Let's do it a little differently to make everything precise and even. We will mark 2 centimeters from this side and the other. Just connect them. Then we found knot. Next, we very simply cut our paper into strips. Ideally, we should have enough for 2 strips. For 1 rose, 2 such long strips of about 50 centimeters. And now we need to join 2 strips together. Apply glue to the edge and stick them to each other. Do this with each one, and we will get such paper ribbons. And only after our ribbons have dried a little we can start working. Take it like an ordinary satin ribbon. We will make drawed frozen ribbons. If you want an example, you can look at this. I'll leave the link here. And on paper ribbons, of course this is a bit more difficult, but in principle you can try and succeed. You will also have unusual little roses, a bouquet of paper roses. And now we can watch how we fold here. Down the corner. This is how we fold our ribbon. Next, this lower part will help us hold our workpiece, and we gradually twist. We try to do it more smoothly, like this. We start to form our bud in the process. This ribbon will always unwind back as soon as we see that it is already here. Reaching the end, we fold it back and continue twisting. We see it always bends, and we can see it when it ends. We carefully bend it, forming petals. Again back, and again back. We actually get these petals. But we will bring it back. Here we have formed a rose, and at the end we have a piece of paper left, which we need to fold back. We will glue it here like this. We will apply glue now. With glue and this part we will also carefully fold, and right here we will also glue it with PVA glue, and our rose will be ready. The first rose is ready. I will now form 2 more, and then we will create a small bouquet together. Thus, we have already formed 3 roses, and they are ready for decoration. They look great, even though they are made of paper. Now we can cut either 2 or 3 or more for each rose. You can do 1 at a time, but now several at once. And I will make the leaves for the stems. I will make them all the same right away. I cover the hot glue gun to securely fix our flowers. To these skewers, I divided the skewers, and half of 1 skewer will be enough for 1 stem. We take the hot glue gun, our flower, and apply glue to the back, and glue the stem straight. Well, our roses are already fixed, and now we decorate with leaves in the same way using the hot glue gun. We glue a tiny drop. The paper adheres very tightly and quickly. Like this. And 1 more. We can open a little. We end up with such a truly beautiful rose flower. Well, we are done. And we have created wonderful paper roses that look really great. I recommend everyone to try making them. I think if you gather a large bouquet of such roses, it will look very beautiful. And remember, you can use ribbon of any width. If you want a larger rose, then use a slightly wider ribbon. You can confidently use ribbon, twice as wide. And then you will form a larger rose, which can be placed on the entire length of the skewer. Will you have such a one? A larger bouquet? But I like to change them to versions with such an interesting look. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and stay on the channel. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye and enjoy your creativity.